How to grow Arctostaphylos manzanita plant care. Arctostaphylos are prostrate bushes that have a dim evergreen foliage. They regularly have numerous blossoms of pink or white, and they bear red natural products. They are perfect for use as ground cover in little uncovered spots. It is best to sow Arctostaphylos outside in the autumn on the dirt surface. They should then be diminished to a separating of 30 to 60 centimeters. Arctostaphylos can grow in either somewhat shaded conditions or in full daylight. The dirt ought to be sandy and acidic with a pH of 4.5 to 5.5. On the off chance the beginning of plants inside Arctostaphylos ordinarily require somewhere in the range of 2 and 3 months to grow, and seeds ought to be assimilated by drenching medium term. At that point being kept in an ice chest, oblivious for 2 months in the clammy sand. Looking after Arctostaphylos. Arctostaphylos plants, for example, Barberry and Manzanita, are a significant troublesome plant to care for and care for. They should just be watered on occasion of the extraordinary dry season and never sustained. They ought to be frequently sheared, keeping in mind the end goal to keep up a flawless appearance, and mulched with pine needles. Once planted they ought not to be aggravated,